Hello everyone, in this tutorial I will be showing you how to create a simple glowing effect. So let's start. I will be adding a glowing effect to this flower sort of thing. So what you want to do is duplicate your object, whatever it is you want to add a glowing effect to. Then set the blending type to add. Then go to Filter, Gaussian Blur. As you can see, it's glowing. You can adjust the value to place how much it glows. I'm gonna add a very high value. Then, if you want the flower itself to glow while having the little glowing in the background, just duplicate the original, the layer that it's untouched, as you can see. Duplicate that. Do the same process. And just make it lower. And then in the original layer, just reduce the opacity. And there it is. It's glowing. And you can also adjust the opacity of the glow so it's more to your liking. You can also do it vice versa. You can also place the glowing layer on top of the original layer and then adjust the opacity. It works the same way. It's up to you. Well, that's it. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe if you want to get notified for more tutorials. Bye bye.